Today, I'll walk you through how to add an image in the new email builder, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to insert images into your emails so you can create visually appealing content that captures your audience's attention. First, from your browser, navigate to Mailchimp.com. This is your starting point for accessing the email builder. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, as updates can change the layout. Next, once in the email builder, simply click on blocks and choose the image option. This is where the magic begins. You can click and drag the image block to the area you want to place your image. Think of it like arranging furniture in a room to create the perfect layout. After that, click on the Add button. This will open up options for you to upload your own images or select from stock images available in the library. It's a straightforward process, so take your time. Now you have the option to either upload your own images or use stock images. If you choose to upload, simply select the image file from your computer. If you prefer stock images, type in your image context in the search bar to see the available options. This is similar to browsing a catalog for the perfect picture that fits your theme. Once you find an image you like, choose one from the results. This step is crucial, as selecting the right image can enhance your email's overall appeal. Next, click on Insert. This action will place the selected image into your email draft. You might want to take a moment to visualize how it fits within your design. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Finally, adjust the image as needed. You can resize it or reposition it to ensure it aligns perfectly with your email's layout. Think of it like fine-tuning a piece of art to make sure it looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image in the new email builder. This skill will help you create more engaging emails that stand out in your audience's inbox. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.